Hello. I'm waiting in line. Would you like to go shopping with me? Customer service. You need to return this.
Do you have the receipt?
Thank you. You need to return this. Till you go.
Oh, that's right.
好棒哦，谢谢。
And what is the reason for your return?
Defective. This doesn't work.
请问你要退款还是换货呢？
Do you want a refund or replacement?
Do you want a refund or replacement?
So refund is to give you your money back, and replacement is to give you another one. Which one do you want?
Refund, please, or replacement.
好，没问题。我们现在看有没有现货哦。
To see if you want a replacement, they'll have to check if they have it in stock, okay? On a replacement, they have to check if they have any more, okay?
I have appreciated. Do I need to sign everything?
做签名。
Sign your name.
Thank you for your help. You're so kind.
谢谢。
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excuse me, my bag is a minute ago. It's already open. The seal is broke. Can I return it, please?
Yes, okay, of course. Do you have a receipt?
Yes, I do. Here you go. Do you have a membership?
No, he asked you if you have a membership.
Do you have a membership?
Yeah.
You do?
You do? Change.
And receipt.
I bought the batteries yesterday. Wrong.
But they're the wrong size.
I need to return these batteries. They are AAA batteries. I need AA batteries. Can I exchange them or get a refund? I accidentally bought two same items. We only need one. I want to try this. Papaya milk. I accidentally bought two of the same item. Can I return the slot, please? This lighter doesn't work. Can I get a refund? More than exchange? And doesn't work. Thank you. I call 119.
Because it's an emergency?
Yeah. I placed it on my order. Receive my package. I peeled off the protective film. Checked it out right away. It didn't work. I sent a message to the seller.